Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, uh, today our end in mind is today we'll learn about industrial estate and EPZ, that is called Export Processing Zone in chapter Industrial Development. Now let's proceed. First, we'll discuss about industrial estates. What are industrial estates? These are basically specific areas. These are specific areas reserved for industry only, right? They are established to help encourage entrepreneur, uh, and then government also it provides facilities, for example, infrastructure facilities such as metal roads, electricity, water, gas, hospitals, and sanitation facilities in order to encourage more industries in that industrial estate, right? There are total 72 industrial estates are there in Pakistan, inclusive in our capital city also, Islamabad also, right? In which in Sindh 24 industrial estates are there, in Punjab 20 industrial estates are there, KPK 15, Balochistan 10, and then Federal Capital 3 industrial estates are there. So altogether 72 industrial estates are there in Pakistan. And if we talk about Karachi, we have site where your school is also located, right? That is the full form of site is Sindh Industrial Trading Estate Limited. This is Pakistan's first industrial estate. Then we have Kite, that is Korangi Industrial Trading Estate Limited. Then we have Light, that is Landhi Industrial Estate Limited. Then we have Night, that is Nooriabad, that is near Hub, right? Nooriabad Industrial Trading Estate Limited. Night is basically it is less functional because of less infrastructural facilities are available to them, right? Again, uh, what is the purpose? What are the functions? Why are they needed, right? Basically, to help encourage entrepreneur, as I said earlier, right? To invest in Pakistan in order to boost industrialization, industrial growth. That is the main purpose of that those industrial estates. If you must have noticed in site area, right, there are number of multiple industries are there, right? And they are responsible to boost Pakistan's economy, right? And then again the government that is responsible to provide all infrastructural facilities, as I have mentioned, like power supply, transport, proper metal roads, water and light, sewerage system, sanitation facilities, and all, right? Uh, that is provided to these industrial estates wherever they are found in Pakistan, right? Okay. Um, First, the government it provides infrastructural facilities, right? So basically, private sector is also encouraged to establish industrial estate. Because various incentives such as exemption from custom duties on imported machineries that is given by the government, right? Many a times in Pakistan to these industrialists, right? How does it work? It will increase industrial production in Pakistan by increasing quality of goods, by reliable power telecommunication supply, by improved water sanitation cleanliness, transport network, proper transport network, and attractive to investors. Government incentives are also being given many a times to especially cotton textile industries, right? As our major exports, it leads that connects to that cotton textile industry, right? Then opportunity for technology and modernization. These all are the important factors due to that these industrial states they are able to increase their production in Pakistan. Okay, what are EPZs? EPZ, the full form of EPZ is Export Processing Zone. Okay. These are basically EPZs are it contains industrial units which manufacture the products with export potential only. right? Where all the products that needs to be exported, that it is being dealt by EPCs, right? Why? What is the reason to establish EPC? That is to support manufacturing and trade of various export goods, right? What are the locations basically? That is Langhi, that is at Karachi, then Sialkot, Risalpur, Gawadar, and Faisalabad. In these all places, EPCs are established. EPCs basically should be established near the seaport to facilitate export and import of goods and the import of required machinery. A number of EPCs have already been set up in Karachi, and the government is planning to set up more at Gwadar. The reason being the consistent government policies help to bring stability in the investment of a country, which thus attracting more local and foreign investor. And location of EPG should be adequate air travel facilities should be available there. Adequate transport facilities for the marketing and finished goods should be there. Efficient transport links for to raw material resources, availability of raw material to reduce the transport cost. It should be there, right? And then let's move further. Objective of establishment of EPGs. Why are these? What is the main purpose behind it to establish EPGs, right? The objective of establishment of EPGs are in Pakistan are to boost industrialization, right? To bring foreign exchange to Pakistan, right? To increase country's export by creating facilities for local and foreign investors to set up export-oriented units. uh, Again, to create job opportunities, and then to transfer high tech information from the developed countries to the developing countries, right? When like for example, if we are attracting foreign investors, so when they come to invest in Pakistan, definitely they come up with their own technology, with the ideas, whatever the work that is being followed in their countries, right? So again, it is the exchange of ideas and technology, right? That happens if the EPCs are there, right? um, Other than that, it also aid the growth of small and cottage scale industries. Yes, that is also important. That is why EPCs are important, right? Who is responsible? Basically the government and private sector, both are responsible to establish EPZs in Pakistan, right? EPZs are being set up in different parts of country to promote setting up of industries to produce goods for export. So which brings, with the help of a foreign investors, definitely, which brings foreign exchange or revenue to Pakistan, right? That was it from EPZ, right? Now, inshallah, in the next blog, I'll come up with the with another objective. So you have to make notes in your journal, and if any question is there, you can ask in the class. Thank you so much.